In today's video, I am going to teach you how to duplicate posts in Meta Business Suite. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. Once you are on Facebook.com, switch over to your Facebook business page. This is important because the duplication option is available when you are working from the page connected to your business content. After you have switched to your business page, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and click Meta Business Suite. This will open the main dashboard where you can manage your page content, posts, and other publishing tools. Inside the Meta Business Suite dashboard, go to the left navigation panel and click Content. This section shows the posts that are connected to your page, including published content and other post activity. Take a moment to browse through the list until you find the post that you want to duplicate. Once you have located the correct post, move to the area next to it and click the three-dot menu. This opens additional options for managing that specific post. From that menu, hover over Manage Post. A second menu will appear with more actions related to the post. In that list, click Duplicate Post. Meta Business Suite will then create a copy of the original post and open it so you can review it before publishing. This saves time because you do not have to rebuild the post from the beginning. It is especially useful if you want to reuse the same format, caption, or media while making only small changes. After the duplicated post opens, review everything carefully. You can update the text, replace images or video if needed, and make any adjustments before posting. This is the best time to make sure the content still matches your current message, promotion, or campaign. When you are done editing, click Publish to share the duplicated post right away. If the post looks good and does not need any changes, you can simply publish it as it is. That is the full process for duplicating a post in Meta Business Suite. Start by switching to your Facebook business page. Open Meta Business Suite. Go to the Content section. Find the post you want. Open the three-dot menu. Select Manage Post, and then choose Duplicate Post. After that, make any edits you need and publish the copied version. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.